In this video, I'll show you how to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Screen mirroring is really useful because it lets you display your iPhone screen on another device. I'll also show you how to connect to another device and start mirroring your screen. Make sure you watch the full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you might miss an important step. Let's get started. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down and select AirPlay and Continuity. From here, tap on Automatically AirPlay and set it to Automatic. AirPlay is the feature that allows you to mirror your screen and stream content to other devices. Setting this to Automatic can make connecting easier in the future. If you want to start screen mirroring right away, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Now find the screen mirroring option and tap on it. To start mirroring, simply select the device you want to connect to. For example, if I choose my TV, screen mirroring will start immediately. Once connected, your iPhone screen will be displayed on the other device. You can then stream videos, show photos, browse apps, or display anything that's on your screen. You may be asked to enter a PIN or verification code on your iPhone before the connection is completed. This is just to confirm that you're connecting to the correct device. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more tutorials like this, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.